So like yesterday, we actually predicted a bullish move on our EURGBP, right? We said that EURGBP would be giving us a bullish move for the day. And as you can see it right here, market did give us a bullish move, right? This is it right here. Market open and close bullish, which is for the 6th, right? 6th of May. We said that market will give up open and give us a bullish move for the day. Market did give us that bullish move. So those who actually going for the buy should have been able to make some pips, right? If you are not getting buy, you need to still going for the buy because now is the best opportunity to go for the buy. But if you are already in the buy, still hold your buy position because market will still be giving us more bullish move. Now, this is one of the reasons why if you are new to the channel and you not yet subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram. So that once we drop on two updates, you will not miss out on any single update. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now, let's start with the trend right here. Our overall trend on our EURGBP cannot trend move. That is our overall movement. The overall movement is an uptrend. We are very much moving the trend to the upside. Now, take a look at this movement right here. I've been able to alight this level due to the fact that market has been rejected from this zone multiple times. Market gave us a multiple rejection from this zone, right? This is one of the reasons why we alighted it and we took it to take it to be our support level. Now, markets they came to test this level, then it pushed up, right? It bounced up. Markets eventually dropped again to retest the same level. And guess what market did? Markets eventually rejected and bounced up. Now, market has now dropped again to start this level. So we would expect it to actually reject, which is currently rejecting, and it is now pushing up. So this is to tell that a bullish move is what we should be expecting for the day on our odd EURGBP. Now, this is our first high, and this is our higher low, and here comes the higher high. This is the higher low, right? Which you can see as an equal higher low. You can take it to be your equal higher low. Now, market has now pushed up again to form a new high that took out this previous high. So you can expect an higher low. Then one more push up that will form a new higher high. So another push up that will form a new higher high is what we should be expecting for the day. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. So make sure you subscribe in order for you to miss out on the updates.